here from Vinylone Garage. We're here at Vinylone today to check out the Porsche Backdate that we're building. Jamie's hooked us up here with some XPEL PPF. So we're going to go in the showroom, see what he's done, have a look round and yeah, go from there. Come on. So this is Vinylone. This is Jamie doing what he does, this thing. And here's the backdate that we've been building at Vinylone Garage. So he's, as I said outside, he's hooked us up with XPEL PPF, which is paint protection film. We've done the front bumper, the bonnet, the front wings, and sharp things on the back rear quarters. Done an absolutely amazing job, very, very happy. You can't even see it. And with time, this will just get better and better and better. So super, super happy. So yeah, basically we're ready to take it back to GBG headquarters, finish her up and get some miles on it. So keep watching. Peace.